The internet is amazing, but have you ever wondered how data gets from your computer to, say, Google? It turns out that all of the information that you send over the internet, whether it's a few keystrokes or a gigabyte Steam game, follows a similar journey. First, your computer breaks the data up into small pieces called packets. Each packet has a sequence number so that the receiving computer knows how to put them back together. Then the packets are sent out into the wild world of the internet. Next, routers take the packets and use their internal clocks to order them as they arrive. If a packet arrives out of order, the router will hold it until the other packets arrive so that they can all be delivered as a nice neat stack. Finally, the data arrives at its destination, where it's reassembled and voila, you get the information you requested. This process happens over and over again for every bit of data that you send over the internet. But there's one more thing. All of this data is sent using a special language called a protocol. The most common protocol is called TCP/IP. It's what allows your computer to talk to other computers and it's what makes the internet work.